Tech's Uni-Seal Ultra One-Piece Tire repairs completely seal tire punctures for the strongest and safest repair possible. Hi, Izzy here with Tech Tire and Wheel. When it comes to proper tire repair, all the top tire industry professionals and regulatory agencies agree. The safest way to repair a puncture is to completely fill the injury with a repair stem and patch the tire from the inside with an appropriately sized repair unit. Tech's Uni-Seal Ultras make it easy to perform a proper tire repair by combining the stem and repair unit into a remarkably strong one-piece repair. In most cases, if the angle of the injury does not exceed the industry guidelines of 35 degrees, we recommend going with a one-piece repair. Once you've determined the size of the injury, simply select the appropriate size Uni-Seal Ultra repair. For example, this injury measured 1/4 inch, so we'd use a 250 UL UL6 repair. Then follow the steps to proper tire repair, including cleaning and buffing the inner liner, applying Tech vulcanizing fluid in and around the repair, installing and stitching the repair, and sealing the overbuffed area. Interested in learning more about proper tire repair tools, tips, and procedures? Try Tech University free for 12 months. No credit card or obligation required. Visit techtirerepairs.com/tech-training to learn more.